The Stihl HSA 25 cordless shrub shears are the perfect job for precise trimming or pruning around the garden. They're ideally suited to maintaining small-leaved ornamental trees, shrubs and evergreen hedges. Part of the Stihl lithium-ion range, the HSA 25 has a powerful 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery, which runs for up to 110 minutes, or enough time to trim up to 30 box tree spheres. It's quiet and very lightweight at only 0.6 kilos, making it extremely easy to tick those precise pruning jobs off your list quickly. The laser-cut, diamond-ground 17cm shrub blade can cut branches up to 8mm in diameter with extremely low vibrations. We just recommend a little resin spray to help remove sap and stop the blades from sticking. The HSA 25 also comes with a grass blade set that is perfect for trimming lawn edges and can be easily changed without the need for tools. The machine, blades, battery and charger all come in this handy carry case for easy storage and transport. You can even buy an additional telescopic shaft so you can use the HSA 25 while standing up. To use the HSA 25, simply turn off the trigger lock and squeeze the trigger. Before using the tool, always read the manual and make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment. With this tool, you should be wearing snug-fitting clothes, goggles, gloves and sturdy footwear.